YouTube, what up, man? It's your boy Hemi Meets, and I'm back again with another video, man. So we about to wing this video, man. I'm gonna give y'all a POV because I ain't dropped in a minute, and we gonna do some cutting up, man. Trying to let this bad motherfucker warm up. You feel me? Just warming up still, but yeah, I'm trying to let the car warm up, but decided to pick up the camera and give y'all a little slight POV, man. We gonna cut up, man. Just been enjoying the car, y'all. So basically we gotta get some I'm gonna get my front shocks done. I'm gonna do some performance ones, and then in the back I'm gonna just do probably some regular ones, and then hopefully y'all can hear me. I'm pretty sure y'all can't hear me, but like I said, I'm gonna do some performance shock absorbers because I can feel the bumps. That's what that mean, right? I would assume that's what it mean when you can feel so much of the bumps and the car is kind of lightly swaying. And then I was doing some research, and then so the culprit was shock absorber. So, you know, I'm gonna take them to them boys, and they're gonna get me right, and then hopefully I feel a big difference because this car is like at 100,000, you know, miles. So it's time to start upgrading certain parts because I don't want it to break and damage anything else. So I'm just about to start upgrading certain parts on the car that need to be upgraded. Since we got pretty much the top end upgraded, now we can go ahead and get that you know, some more stuff done. Shit. Motherfuckers driving like fucking slow as hell. Let me over, man. You dumb bitch. You bald-headed bitch. You bald-headed motherfucker. You bald-headed motherfucker.
Made, that's why I don't play with nines, play with mines. They say he ain't gon' make it, we already knew he was that. We in the 392, where I could've been going today. Switch the jerkies, and they blocked 3 cops, we came all different ways. He tried to beat chase, they tried the box and see a shot dog had got away. Just for 7, I'm gon' bring the hood, just watch this shit get great.
There's so many goddamn people out right now. I think motherfuckers jumping out in front of me on purpose, man. Maybe that's just destiny or something, man. So I won't get my ass booked or something, you know? Because I am trying to drive this motherfucker. Hey, I swear to God, these 5 speeds, bro, 5 speeds, the second gear is fucking deadly. My hand's ashy as hell. Hey, the second gear on these 5 speeds, bro, these nags, bro, these bitches is crazy. I swear to God, you drop down in second gear, bro, that bitch goes stupid. Hey man, anything Hemi bro, like, and then I can only imagine. Oh, that was a cat. I can only imagine with like Hellcat scat packs and like shit like that. How them bitches feel, like driving them in the fun. Cause if this is fun, I know them motherfuckers fun. But I feel like I feel a lot better once I get my shock absorbers done, or once I start getting some suspension work done. I feel like I feel a lot better. Damn, cuz, you about to crash into me and some more shit. Nah, it came like this. Yeah. A 5.7. Oh, yeah? Oh. Everybody be mistaking this for a swap. Bro, the bitch came like, hey, no, it is crazy, though, because you don't see too many of them like this, though. Look, second gear. You gotta, hey, that second gear, that bitch crazy. That second gear ain't nothing to play with, man. Everybody be thinking this bitch swapped or something. Nah, it's just 5.7. But hey, when we supercharge this bitch, or torque storm, or same thing, right? Torque storm and supercharge, same thing. I really want to do a Whipple, bro, but that's an expensive bill right there. Whipple, but that whine, just to hear that bitch whine off a 5.7 to be insane, bro. That bitch would be That's gonna be crazy. For this bitch to be whining like that. I don't know, man. I don't know what kind of build I want to save up for. I know I want to do something, bro. I know I want to add that big power. I don't know, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below. What y'all prefer? Whipple or supercharger? I mean, Whipple or Pro Charger? Whipple or... Because Whipple and supercharger is the same thing, right? I don't know. I kind of know, but I don't know. But y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Damn. This bitch a bully. Those washes, the touchless washes, and I'm probably just spray it down, so it all that good shit get it shining. And then yeah, just wanted to give y'all a quick walk around. We gonna get back into the POV in a second. I gotta run into the store real quick, and then yeah. All right, y'all. So we are back into the video. Hold on. So let's go ahead and... Oh crap, it's windy as hell out here. Oh, the door almost caught me. Oh. Yes, it still works great. Damn, he just came flying in that bitch. What's wrong with her? What's wrong with people? Alright, y'all. Let's go ahead and get home. Let's go ahead and get home.
Now the fucking come in and lock shit down forever, nigga.
Oh shit! God damn! I couldn't catch. Fuck some shit up. I couldn't catch.
Boy, I be extra loud. Shot him out the window. Hit a nigga, I'm already moved. If a nigga check it, you can phone. If you ain't gon' blow your screen, we gon'
Shit!
Afraid of walk through this shit for spelling. Back in them children in that bitch, shit ain't skill, bitch. I'm that for me. She be like, yeah, boy, you ain't know yet. I'm like, yeah, that bitch ain't fast.
I was trying to get. Oh, there you go. These motherfuckers driving slow as hell. We got 3.9 Dukes. 392. Make them get loose. Oh, wait. That's that motherfucker. Okay. This shit clean as hell. God damn. Hey, that bitch clean. Nice hood wrap. Nice hood wrap. Y'all think he gonna try to? I don't know. We gotta be smooth out here. Let's see if we can get some content real quick though. I wonder if he gonna cut up. Let's see. Out this bitch. They gonna come out. Gonna come out of nowhere. You guys, right? Well, no, you technically wasn't racing, but I don't know what you call it. Look at that. That motherfucker. CTS. Black wing motherfucker. Alright, man. You put my seatbelt on, man. Motherfucking cocky whining and shit. Folks says whining and whatnot, man. I ain't hand for that, man. Let's see if we can scratch off, man. See if we can burn some tires real quick. I love them wheels he had on his car, man, because I'm like the wheels on a newer Chrysler, so like I kind of want those. But I'm tired of swapping. I'm tired of getting wheels. I don't know. We gonna see, man. We gonna see what happens in the future, man. Oh yeah. Yeah, it'll get sideways. It'll get sideways. It'll get sideways real quick. It'll get sideways. Man, y'all comment down below, man, what type of videos y'all want to see, man. Let me know so I can. The weather's changing. Y'all let me know what type of videos y'all want to see, man. And I'm gonna try to get those videos out to y'all. I am gonna, like I said, I am gonna be doing the shock soon. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that video. Yeah, got a lot going on. But make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn that post bell notification on so y'all don't miss a drop, right? And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video, man. Peace.